Lordship, regarding item 6 and 7, Lordship, of this same person, Lordship, 6 and 7, can it be after vacation, Lordship? Translated matter.
Learned Counsel Mr. S. Mooney has paid for adjournment, list the matter on.
Lordship, much obliged, much obliged.
May please, Lordship?
Yes, yes.
Yes, item number 15, we have filed and written objection. Kindly bring on record.
6, 7.
You have filed an affidavit.
No objection, and I am informant. So I file an objection, which must be. Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28. The English counsel is not well today, so court may be adjourned.
20.
28.
Learned Counsel Miss. What is your name?
SK Mohammed.
SK. No, your name.
Farnaz N.A. Hussain.
F. Hussain
F. Hussain.
has prayed for adjournment on behalf of Learned Counsel Mr. SK Mohammed. List the matter on. Are you on interim bail?
Sorry, ma'am.
Interim bail granted to you.
Ma'am, interim is here.
CD, have you received the CD?
Not received.
CD as called for is not received. Which reminder, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Yes, ma'am.
Con nalagay niki?
25.
কিন্তু? Oh, ঠিক আছে.
Item 2.
May please, Your Honor. Lordship, this is second bail application, Lordship. It was earlier decided by the Honorable Justice Partivati Sulkia, Lordship.
Oh, decided?
Yes,
Already?
sir, it
So
was rejected. Lordship.
He's here.
Yes, but
I think
bail
there's been a
matters in.
mistake. They have sent it here. Because last week he was not here for 2 weeks. Last week he was not here, maybe the week before also. Registered list the matter before the appropriate bench,
Lord.
okay?
But can it hit the date,
Oh,
Lordship?
no. Because he's much senior to me.
Lordship, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
What do you?
There was lots of timing, Lordship.
Yes, timing is.
Time
Maybe,
being,
Lordship. I can see my Lord, I missed my Lord.
Yes,
Okay.
will, no, not miss, just, we have just called out.
Oh, sorry, my Lord. My Lord, can we see the FIR?
Yes,
At page, my Lord. 9, my Lord.
9 years.
My Lord, operative part is at page 14, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, what happened, my Lord, in this matter? CD will be required necessarily, my Lord. Only my prayer is that this matter is solved amicably. It was my relatives and employee also looking after my fishery. My cow entered by taking the fencing, bamboo fencing. Some altercation took place between he and me. Thereafter it is solved amicably, my Lord. In writing, they have given that, in writing, they have solved it. So only short date, my Lord.
serial injury report.
Call for a CD along with the injury report, list the matter, short data, target detail.
It's kindly, my Lord, short date only, my
Amicably
Lord.
solved, please.
My Lord, oblige, Lord.
Photo time being will call Whistle and Nili Mumbai.
May please, Your Lordship. This is the second bail application received earlier. Lordship was rejected.
Scan copies.
Scan copy is
Matlab,
there.
yeah, I have just gone through here matlab, FIR of 10 to 2024 and charge sheet file on 19/5/24. Commercial quantity is there, and 2% was apprehended when during Naka checking. Matlab. And as per the statement, the whole contraband were supposed to deliver to this petitioner. Matlab. Now the case last order, matlab, 28 to 25, as per the LCR, matlab, still in appearance stage, my lord. still in appearance stage. So trial not yet actually started. So very initial stage, my lord.
I'm seeing last 14 months worship petitioner behind the bar and
How many days you're behind bars?
14 months.
14 months. What was the quantity recovered from you? What is it? Oh, sorry.
I am
NDPS.
covered.
Sorry, very, very sorry.
Lordship, then
No, no,
lordship,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. We cannot take up NDPS cases. Ready to list the matter before the appropriate bench.
Yes, yes.
Post for NDPS নহব। No, just a moment. Have I rejected earlier bill petition? Oh, more reject কৰিছো না?
second bail application.
নাই নাই এইটো কাটি দিয়া। Fine.
Lordship, first of all, I am covered under the judgment of Lordship Tufan Singh, Lordship. I am nothing recovered from me, Lordship. I am only arrested on the statement based on the co-accused, Lordship. Second, Lordship, new development, I have checked, Lordship, in the record that arrest memo, which is also on violation of the Bahan Kumar judgment, Lordship. And I am only 24 years old boy, Lordship. So since last 14 months,
Yan
Lordship,
Kumar judgment.
Yan Kumar judgment, Lordship.
We'll need that 47 notice BNSS because this was in 24. So
Notice is
earlier,
there,
huh?
Lordship. Notice is there, but no ground, nothing has been mentioned in the.
And
Notice,
my lord, notice is there, my lord, ground, specific ground has been given. And my lord, forwarding also there are ground. Just I am reading. Grounds of arrest. Here not given as
That
Notice.
Notice.
Notice, nothing is. there.
notice, my lord, I have to check, my lord, but in the forwarding ground of arrest also, my lord, it is mentioned that the accused Zaharul Islam is a habitual offender. He is also arrested in another connected in Ramakrishna Nagar Sensation, different case also he is connected. And in that case also charge sheet against him. And it is not mentioned as reasons of arrest. This mentioned as grounds of arrest in the malad forwarding report also. But malad, I have hurriedly this notice. Maybe dear malad, I'll have to go through. But fact is that malad
Trial has not been. Lordship.
still in appearance stage. Total 5 numbers of accused malad.
Lordship,
Others it will
earlier-
not even appear because of that still in appearance stage.
last.
So you place your objection, proper objection. Because you go through the judgment
Yes, yes, malad.
and you place a proper objection.
Lordship, on the last occasion when the matter was rejected by your Lordship, that time also direction was given to the learned court below to expedite the speedy trial.
No,
Lordship.
no, now when you have come with Vihan Kumar's judgment, let them give a proper explanation. Whether you have given the grounds, whether they were made aware of the grounds.
I will go through this record and malad.
And then in para 13 of the judgment also, there is an observation of the Supreme Court after discussing all the judgments
Yes, yes.
that the grounds of arrest need not be in written. No. The grounds of arrest should be in a manner that is understood by the person. If
Yes,
it is
yes, ma'am.
written in English, he must understand in English.
Yes, yes.
So that is not specifically said, but if you read between the lines, that is what is meant. So you go, let us give them some time because they have been slammed with this judgment. And then
No,
they,
ninth
they-
maybe.
they do not have anything to reply. So let us give them some time to reply.
Then ninth Lordship.
Huh?
Ninth,
Ninth.
next ninth.
Ninth,
Ninth. Matter maybe fixed.
not on ninth.
Before,
After BU.
before vacation Lordship.
After view, malad, commercial quantity, malad.
All right. Ninth দিব পাৰিম নেকি? বেলেগ day? পাৰি, ঠিক আছে। On ninth, yes, all right, on ninth. Learned Council, Learned Additional PP, Mr. KK Porachor has submitted that he will place his objection relating to the grounds of arrest under section 47 of CRPC.
Sure.
No, BNS, BNSS, BNSS.
Obliging.
Item 8.
My lord, I'm very sorry, my lord, regarding item 24, my lord. I intended to mention, my lord,
Item 24.
24, my lord. Yes, my lord. We'll be filing an additional affidavit, my lord. Because around 7 persons already granted regular and anticipatory bail, my lord. All those orders will place, my lord. So can it come up after vacation, my lord? I'm sorry to mention now. my lord.
24, no? No
24.
problem, no problem. Learned counsel, Mr. H. Chodri has paid for adjournment as he will file an additional affidavit, list the matter on 24.
My lord, obliged, highly obliged. There's an interim order, my lord.
Interim order also. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Obliged.
Since Lordship, accused was arrested on 4/2/25, Lordship, and from 2 months they are behind the bar, Lordship. Section 108, Lordship.
We'll have to grant bail. You have the CD? Bail hearing?
Last occasion, Lordship, CD was there.
You have to grant bail. 2 months behind bars. 108. What is the punishment? Up to 10 years. I don't know. 108, up to 10 years.
10 years.
After 10 years.
The FIR has been lodged, Lordship, only the
So
out
you
of
obtain
emotion.
instruction whereas Hasid has been laid. Oh, you have the CD?
No, not CD, not.
So wait for some time. They will obtain instructions. We'll have to grant bail if Hasid has not been laid.
Fix after some time, like,
Item 9.
earlier matter fix after some time or
After some
some
time,
time,
you obtain instructions.
we'll take instruction.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Learned counsel, Mr. M.A. Usinil appeared for the petitioner. He is on his way to the court. and,
CD will not receive, my lord.
Due to some emergency situations, he's late a little bit. The matter may be taken after some time.
After some time,
Yes, Lord.
he'll come today.
Yes.
CD actually we
Like-
have not received.
Just a moment, we have not received the CD.
My lord, learned counsel had some prayers. Okay.
All right.
Obliged. Item 10. Item 10.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, FIR is my lord, please stand, my lord. May I read, my lord?
I'll need the CD.
The
You have
CD
the
received, Lordship, but the PM report is not
My
available.
lord, in the earlier occasion, my lord, PM report was not, my lord, with the city, and accordingly, my lord, your lordship was pleased to direct to call for city, my lord, but yet, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, cause of death, my lord. Please, my lord, 19, my lord. And there is a dying declaration of the victim, my lord.
That's why, as per I wrote, that dying declaration yet to be collected, don't receive. Not
My lord,
collected
petitioner
by-
is small, my lord, judicial custody, 53 days, my lord, 2 days, 53 days. my lord.
Dying declaration পালে বিহিত অৱস্থাত বৰ্তমান থাকেতো dying declaration not received yet.
Paraquat injection, that is, I think she has taken poison.
Yes, my lord. She herself, my lord, taken,
You're behind bars for how many days?
my lord, 53 days, my lord, today.
53
Yes,
days.
my lord. So, my lord, kindly consider, my lord. There is a dying declaration, my lord, doctor, my lord, recorded the statement of the victim, my lord.
And that
And
statement
this
is
is page 20, my lord, that is the dying declaration, my lord. She herself, my lord, took this medicine, treating it multivitamin, my lord. She herself stated, my lord. And petitioner, my lord, took her for treatment, my lord, in several hospital, my lord. And consequently, after, my lord, he died, my lord. So, my lord, further hospital interest, my lord, not record, my lord.
What are the statements there?
Yes, taken some multivitamins, Lordship.
No, dying declaration I have read. What about 161 statements?
167, some Rasul were there between husband and wife and family members also. The physical, they have tortured her as part of statement of the witnesses. Adapat also said that she has taken some multivitamin tablets.
But without going through the PM report, it cannot be ascertained whether it is.
Kindly consider my lord detention period, my lord, 53 days. my lord.
But they,
And since I have annexed, my lord,
but
all,
witness said that they have taken her to the hospital.
all discharge
Petition.
certificate, my lord, we have taken, my lord, we have
They
taken,
have
my lord,
taken to the
hospital, my lord,
But
different
that,
hospital.
victim.
For treatment,
Jesus
my lord.
Lordship.
Victims' family.
We have taken, my lord. Page 19 is the, my lord, the cause of death, my lord. I have annexed, my lord. Yes, my lord, today is 53 days, my lord, so further, my lord, custodial interrogation not triggered, my lord.
How did you get the dying declaration?
My lord, doctor, from doctor, my lord. We have
But
received.
this is not in the case diary.
From doctor, we have received, my lord.
But as per IO note,
And personally, this, my lord, dying declaration, my
that
lord,
dying declaration is yet to be collected as per the IO note. Dying declaration.
dying
Palagi.
declaration recorded by doctor, my lord, and witness also, my lord, other doctors, my lord.
The doctor should give to the IO.
Dying declaration is clearly stated that, my lord, she took medicine, my lord, treating it multivitamin, my lord.
Who will give a multivitamin?
No, my
The
lord,
woman who is
she was-
tortured at
she-
home.
she was
Will she be
physically,
provided
no, my lord, she,
counsel for the petitioners that the petitioners were granted interim bail uh, in connection with this case. Thereafter, although a date was fixed for appearance, this case was date was fixed for although a next date was fixed here, although a next date was fixed, this matter did not come up for hearing. And no dates have been also reflected in the order dated 31/1/2022 passed by this court in connection with this case. Full stop. It is further submitted that the petitioners have already appeared before the learned trial court and um, uh, they have been cooperating with the trial. Full stop. The trial is at uh, the trial is about to be concluded soon. The petitioners are not willing to press this petition any further. Does matter stands close?
yes.
Date was
Alright.
not given, so no need to vacate also.
Item 19.
Yeah, please, your lordship. My lord, this is 2022 matter, my lord. Interim was granted, my lord. I have already appeared in 2022, my lord.
You have the CD? 2022.
Yes, my lord. After granting interim, I already appeared, my lord, in 2022, my lord. But thereafter, case was not listed, my lord.
Same
Yes, my lord.
same order.
My lord, I
Same
think
case.
my charge sheet has been submitted or not, that instruction I have not received, my lord. So that instruction may take, my lord.
There's no date here also.
Yes, my lord.
In the interim, it is mentioned.
From 18 to 23 item.
I think actually this is an absolute bail. I think this is an absolute bail, but it is mentioned as in the interim. That is, that implies that
Yes.
appearing before appearing.
Yeah.
Hmm? No, what is meant, what is implied is that in the interim, so before he appears before the court, that bail is there. So that is an absolute order, I think. Although that word in the interim is mentioned, this is an absolute order in
Yes.
fact. So now what to do? What do you want to say?
Then I want to withdraw, my lord.
Withdraw. Learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for withdrawal of this petition. This is the best way. It is submitted that the petitioner has submitted for withdrawal of the petition. Petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged, my lord. Hello. May I please, lordship? Petitioner was in interim, my lord, and accordingly appeared before the IO and record statement was
You
recorded.
have the CD. Same.
Same, all are for 22 meter.
Okay. Then you withdraw the petition.
My lord, analogous petition, my lord, that was disposed of, my lord, with absolute, my lord, by office note, my lord, AB 669, my lord, 515, my lord. That was on that basis that petition may be disposed of, my lord.
On what ground?
My lord, they appeared and condition fulfilled, my lord. It is, my lord, interim disposition may be, my lord, absolute, my lord. Without withdrawing, my
Have you
lord,
given any, annex any order of this court?
I will order, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Certificate copy? I think better way is to withdraw.
Then I'll just leave to it or your chief, my lord.
2022.
No, here the story is different. Here the CD has been called for without a date. The cases the CD was not called for. And interim, what the order has implied is that in the interim you appear, which means that bail is absolute. But here there's a order for, there's a line in the order call for the CD without date.
Analogous case, my lord, dispose of, my lord, that is why, my lord, 515, my lord, same analogous case, my lord. On that basis, that may be, this may be, my lord. Withdraw করলে বেয়া।
Problem